Okay, so how's everybody doing today? I've got a fairly quick video here. I got a couple of things I'm going to show you guys. First of all, I got these multimeter leads because these ones that come with my Mastech multimeter, they're really short, and I needed something that was longer that could reach, all the way across my desk because, it's kind of inconvenient to do that. Also, in the future, I'm going to try and get a desktop multimeter, something that I can keep up here. So the other thing that I got is some silicone wire for my, this is my power supply. This one right here, it has I think it's up to 2 amp, and it goes up to like 31 volts, I think, but it only does 2 amp. So inside of it, I actually chopped off this side for the binding post, and I put a 40 amp 12 volt power supply inside of this one, and it's actually cooled with a fan. I actually did that a long time ago, but the problem is that I need to make some decent leads for it. So I actually have some banana posts inside, but I got this really nice silicone wire, and then I'm going to be putting some alligator clips on one end. And then I also have this braiding here that I'm going to try to braid this wire. I've got black and red. But I'm actually going to be doing all of that inside. I'm going to take everything inside because it's 8:46 right now in Texas, and it's still 95 degrees outside. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing all of that inside. So, hope this is going to be a really quick, short video. This is just something that I kind of want to show you guys. Just like a little project, how to quick video. So these are some multimeter leads that I got from Amazon. The problem is that my multimeter that I have now, the leads that are on it were a little bit short, so I needed something a little bit longer. And these were supposed to be like a silicone type wire that was supposed to be a little bit more flexible. So it was just something, kind of like a little bit upgrade for my multimeter. And then it also came with these, they're kind of like extenders. I'm not exactly sure what you call these things, but they're, if you need a more precise pointer for them, that's what these are for. And I guess they're gold plated. And you just take off the cap and you insert those on to the tip of them. And they work just fine plugged into my multimeter. So they actually seem to work a little bit better and are a little bit more responsive than the old ones that I had. So here's kind of a problem that I found. Amazon showed that these were supposed to be white, which is that look that I was actually going for, but they ended up being gray. It doesn't really affect the performance or anything. I just thought that it was a little strange because, I don't know, I was wanting the white and red look, I guess. And these are the alligator clips that I'm going to be using to make these new wire leads. In the past, I just kind of used some, old or janky wire. It wasn't really janky or anything. It was just, random pieces of wire that I've had laying around. And I wanted something that was built a little bit better and something that had a little bit more gauge to it in case I needed to use something that had more amperage or more voltage. So this is what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to use some that have alligator clips on one end and round terminals on the other in case I need to do like some battery work or need to put it on something that uses the screw down terminals instead of the banana clips. And that's what I'm going to be doing, is putting banana clips on one end and then either alligator clips or those round terminals on the other. And these banana clips, these are the ones that I got from Amazon, and they're color-coded red and black. And I think there were 6 of them, 6 each, so I can make a total of, or no, was it? I don't remember how many. It's been a while since I've actually recorded this. I think it was 6 each, or maybe it was 5 each. I don't remember. So here I'm just soldering the banana clips onto that silicone wire, and they have kind of a screw down, and I did both of them. I screwed down the inner side, and then I'm going to solder the closer to the ends. just because this gives both different types of connections, because I know some people kind of don't like to use solder on these kinds of clips, but that's just me and my habits, so yeah. And I'm just soldering away here while I was watching Linus Tech Tips in the background. It's just something to do to pass the time. A lot of the videos that I'm going to be coming out with here recently or the next couple of days are going to be stuff that I've either done inside or I'm going to be doing some photography work because it's really hot and I'm trying to stay out of the heat as much as possible, and it kind of puts a damper when I'm trying to record video and voiceovers, so because that's kind of where my face over shots are. So here you can see I'm just soldering the red side banana clip lead. Nothing special, just wanted something to film to do this voiceover. I know I'm kind of rambling on. It's been a little bit since I've recorded, so I am not making any sense right now. So this is the braid that I bought. This is the 1/8 inch thick braid, and it works and it's very tight whenever you actually get it installed, but it's a little bit difficult installing it on that wire that's already silicone based. And it's fine once you actually get it on there, but because it's so flexible, or at least because the silicone wire is so flexible, it's really hard and time consuming to actually get that braid over this. I wanted something that was durable and was going to last a while. That's why I was taking the extra time to put the braid on these particular wires. The silicone wire would probably just do fine, and I did make a couple pair that were just the silicone without the braid on it. That way, I kind of have the best of both worlds and I can test it out. And I think next time I'll probably order I think it was the 1/3 or the 1/4 inch thick braid. I know there was one between 1/4 and 1/8. I can't remember what the size was on the website, but it was a little bit thicker or a little bit wider than the 1/8 inch thick. I'll have to go back and look at it, and I'll post the links from Amazon in the description. But yeah, I made a couple of really, really good leads for my power supply and then my desktop multimeter once I get it, because I want to do some more tutorials and or not tutorials, but I want to do more electronic videos for you guys, and I want to have some tools and actually decent wire, not just some random pieces of crap laying around here and there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm just kind of showing you guys. Oh yeah, this was the 14 gauge flexible stuff. This was really, really, really good stuff. What I really liked about it is it was easy to solder to, and the actual jacket, when you're using the proper wire cutters, it comes off just fine, and it doesn't really break at all, and it has a lot of threads inside of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it here, and see you guys in the next one.